Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Christian. Today I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, as you can clearly see, Bitcoin did an insane impulsive move before a couple hours and we reached $24,263, and afterwards we saw a backwards movement, a pull off, and with that pull off, guys, we consolidating again at $23,800, which right now we're dropping hour by hour, and probably gonna see this reversal down to this very important basis, which is exactly the $22,767. And if we're gonna get there, guys, we're gonna have an insane formation of a double top pattern, and guys, this is probably gonna be a very dramatic situation. It's going to lead us to a very dramatic situation, because it's going to expose the bull trap and we're going to create here a very huge drop on the price of the Bitcoin. So guys, on this video we're going to speak what's happening exactly here, why we saw this kind of pump, what's going on with the FOMC meeting that happened yesterday. All these things, we're going to analyze those deeply, and of course we're going to speak what I'm expecting in the short term and also in the mid long term. So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is stay until the end of the video. Before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes, guys, on this video, because with this way you help me a lot to push the video to more people via YouTube algorithm with a very simple process. From you, daily like, daily comments, a share with your friends is all I need, and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart for all this help support, guys. A big thank you to all of you, and let's jump straight to our Bitcoin chart to start our analysis, because guys, as I told you before, we're forming this very serious pattern, which if gonna be 100%, if we're gonna see actually 100% formation of this pattern, we're gonna build here an insane pattern which gonna probably collapse the price of the Bitcoin, because as you can clearly see from this area that we started this kind of pattern, we saw insane impulsive move to that area of $24,000, then a reversal back to the base of $22,700, and then with the FOMC meeting we saw a pump, which for me it cannot be justified, because guys, Jeremy Powell in his speech told us that the rate's gonna be increased in the next coming months. Okay, he told us also that we are in deflation state, but always we are in deflation state, because guys, Fed trying to lower the rates. Okay, because some guys listen that we are in deflation state, they thought that we're gonna see a pump to the price. They thought that this is the end of the bear market. It's not, guys. We are always in deflation states, because Fed's trying to lower the rates, and he actually told us with a tricky way that he gonna, in the next coming months, the rate's gonna be increased. If we would like actually to see a real pump and not a fake pump, because for me this is a fake pump and I still believe that this is a fake pump, he should actually tell us that the rate's gonna stop increase. Okay, and this is actually the bullish signal, the real money gonna put in the market, not what he told us yesterday. Okay, we should listen to him that the rate's gonna stop, and we won't have from this point any more rates increasement. Okay, this is exactly what I'm expecting to see in a future bullish signal from the Feds, from the Jeremy Powell. So guys, currently as you can see, we spoke for this double top, and I'm going to give you exactly the technical price target of this double top pattern, because as you can clearly see, Bitcoin currently live, it's collapsing. We drop right now at $23,650, and I know lots of guys here, when we surpassed the $24,000, actually felt a little bit FOMO, because they fear that the train is they're gonna miss the train. But guys, something before I move to the technical price target of this double top, as we stay below of $25,000 and $28,000, because also we have a very strong resistance at $28,000, we remain technically bearish. Okay, and this is something that most people should understand. I don't know why most people right now see the market bullish. If we would like to see the market bullish, we should actually create a higher high on the market and not a lower high. Okay, if we put the daily time frame here, you're gonna see exactly what I'm telling you. You can clearly see here we have a lower high on the price and not a higher high. We will need to create a higher high with actually a very huge move to create here an upturn movement, and this is gonna create actually the real big the bull market. Okay, so without losing more time to the generals, let's focus exactly on the double top that we form currently on this area, because it's gonna play big role, especially if we're gonna drop to the base, with which the base is the $22,765, which I told you before. If you're gonna see, guys, the drop here, the technical price target, or which I'm gonna expect to see, is gonna be exactly this one. We're taking the base and the highest point here, so you can clearly see when that we're talking for a technical price target of $21,200 as a technical price target of this double top. And guys, if you ask my opinion, I believe that we're gonna see a free fall to that number. Okay, you're gonna see right now, if you're gonna see any rejection, any crash of the Bitcoin, it's gonna be a free fall, because whales gonna sell off. And this, when the whales, which holding right now big money, big portions of this kind of pump, if they're gonna sell off and take all this profit, the firmwares and the hypers gonna wreck out badly, because they don't hold that amount of money that can sustain this kind of pump. Okay, and you're gonna see that drop after drop, we're gonna create lots of fear on the markets, and all the traders gonna get liquidated, hypers gonna get liquidated, and all these things, guys, is gonna drop us below $20,000. Okay, we are still in a bear market, guys. You should understand that, and I believe we're gonna stay there until the next 5-6 months. Guys, I believe 5 to 6 months we're gonna stay on this bearish situation, and after these months we're gonna see some slight recovery on the fundamentals, inflation rates, unemployment rates, some stops on increasing rates, and all these things gonna create some bullish territory, bullish environment to build the bull run, okay, the bull market. And that's exactly what I believe, and I hope you believe the same, because to me, to consider this kind of chart as a bull run, it seems crazy. Okay, I can't believe that, but it is what it is. It can happen absolutely everything, of course, but if the bull run is gonna happen with those chart situations, guys, I can give you 10% as a probability to see a bull run. Okay, and 90% that this is the biggest bull trap that ever happened. Because if we move out in the daily time frame and zoom out, actually, you're gonna see currently we have RSI on an insane overbought position. We are again in 73 RSI points, which is insane overbought position. And if you check, guys, the MACD is still bearish. Nothing changed on the MACD. MACD is still bearish, and probably here today we're gonna start moving even more to the downside. And if you remember, guys, I told you yesterday on my video that from this point we can have crazy volatility and avoid to trade those days, because it's very easy to get wrecked out badly. We saw Bitcoin pumping over $24,000, and you can clearly see, guys, in just a day or two we're gonna drop back to this red zone. It's very reasonable to happen, because every time FOMC meetings creating lots of volatility and lots of fake belief, either the price is gonna get up or down. Okay, and the 25 basis point, guys, it was bearish and not bullish according to my knowledge. Okay, and as you can clearly see, MACD from technical side remain bearish, and let's see what's about to happen. And that's all, guys. This is the video. Keep doing, guys, your DCA, which I'm always suggesting you to do, because no matter if you're buying $23,000 or $17,000 or $14,000, because, guys, if the Bitcoin is gonna get up to 200k, 500k, half a million, you won't even remember on which price you bought on those areas, because it's gonna be very time different if the Bitcoin is gonna get to that high number, even $1 million. So invest for the future and not in the short term. Okay, just that's why you should do TCA in those areas. All the prices under $30,000 is super cheap, is ultra discount, and you don't have to worry if the Bitcoin is gonna get up or down. Just stick with DCA daily or weekly, and you're gonna build crazy wealth in 5 years from now. Okay, that's all, guys. This is my advice, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. I made a Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, and guys, see you tomorrow with my fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.